Hello friends, in last period we have discussed about the significance of business economics. Only 8 points of the significance of business economics studied in last periods. Now we are going to continue remaining points of the significance of business economics. So significance of business economics part 2 we are going to study here. After 8th one, ninth one point of significance of business economics, minimization of business risk. Basically, profit is the reward for risk bearing or uncertainty bearing. आपल्याला सर्वांनाच माहीत आहे नफा हे म्हणजे केवळ रिस्क जोखीम किंवा अनिश्चितता अनसर्टेनिटी बिअरिंग म्हणजे स्वीकारणे किंवा म्हणजे सहन करणे त्याचा रिवॉर्ड म्हणजेच काय असतो नफा असतो. The knowledge of the business economics will help to the business person to minimize the business risk. Means with the help of business economics we are able to reduce or minimize the business risk because so many tools and techniques we are going to use which are applicable in business, and by way of that we are going to reduce or we are going to minimize our business risk. Certain risk can be insured through the insurer. Certain risk means what? Certain risk can be insured through the insurer, means insurance company, but uncertain risk cannot be insured. बिझनेसमध्ये दोन प्रकारच्या रिस्क असतात, एक सर्टेन रिस्क आणि एक अनसर्टेन रिस्क. सर्टेन म्हणजे निश्चित 5 लाखाचा ट्रक घेतला असेल आणि तो जळाला असेल तर निश्चित 5 लाखाचं आपलं नुकसान होणार. सच टाईप ऑफ रिस्क इज कन्सिडर्ड ॲज सर्टेन रिस्क and such risk can be insured through the insurer or insurance party or company. इन्शुरन्स कंपनीकडनं त्यांचा विमा काढता येतो. बट अनसर्टेन रिस्क आर देअर इन द बिझनेस अँड दे कॅन नॉट बी इन्शुअर्ड. त्यांचा विमा काढता येत नाही. दीज आर कॉल्ड अनइन्शुअर्ड रिस्क ऑर अनसर्टेनिटीज. आणि अशा अनइन्शुअर्ड रिस्कलाच अनसर्टेनिटीज असं म्हणतात, अनिश्चित आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपल्या प्रोडक्टला डिमांड मिळेल का नाही, कस्टमर आपल्याला वाढीचे मिळतील का नाही, आपली वस्तू कस्टमरला आवडेल का नाही, आपल्याला नफा मिळेल का नाही. These are so many risks in our business which are not certain, and such risks cannot be insured by the insurance company or any insurer. So such risks are called as uninsured risks or uncertainties, and the profit is the reward of bearing such uncertain or uninsured risk bearing. For example, fall in demand, मागणीत घट झाली, changes in likes and dislikes and fashion of the consumer, etc. These things are not certain, these are uncertain, and these uncertain risk we are bearing in business, and on account of that we are getting profit. So the minimization of business risk is the key thing or major issue in our business, and by way of the subject knowledge of the business economics we are able to reduce or minimize the business risk, and if the business is reduced then we are able to achieve the profit or maximum profit in a business and nothing else. Next 10th one, suitable technique of production. We know in business we are going to whatever technique of production use, and that should be suitable one, and the subject knowledge of the business economics is useful for the selection of the suitable technique or method of production. The technique of which is economical should be used in business or production. Simply we know जे तंत्र इकॉनॉमिकल आहे, परवडणारं आहे आर्थिकदृष्ट्या, that should be used in production. इफ द लेबर इज अवेलेबल इन अबंडन्स, जर श्रम हे अबंडन्स म्हणजे भरपूर प्रमाणात अवेलेबल आहेत, इट इज बेटर टू यूज लेबर इंटेन्सिव्ह टेक्निक, तर श्रमप्रधान तंत्र वापरणं कामाचं आहे. व्हाईल इन केस ऑफ लेबर शॉर्टेज कॅपिटल इंटेन्सिव्ह टेक्निक शुड बी यूज्ड, जर लेबर शॉर्टेज असेल तर कॅपिटल इंटेन्सिव्ह भांडवल प्रधान तंत्र वी नीड टू यूज. समटाइम्स वी नीड टू यूज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ शुड बी यूज, मीन्स at a time we can use combination of those both techniques, means not totally labor and not totally capital, the suitable combination of these two we can use. Means nothing, with the help of business economics we are able to use suitable technique of production or economical technique of production and nothing else. Significance of business economics, point number 11. Business planning. Business economics is a tool of business planning. व्यवसायाचं नियोजन करण्याचं अर्थशास्त्र हे एक साधन आहे, शास्त्र आहे. दी थिअरीज ऑफ डिमांड फोरकास्टिंग, मागणीचा पूर्वानुमान करणाऱ्या सिद्धांत. सेल्स प्रोजेक्शन, विक्री अनुमान. इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ बिझनेस इकॉनॉमिक्स will help the business person as a tool and technique of business planning. बिझनेस प्लॅनिंग करताना डिमांड फोरकास्टिंग, मागणीचा पूर्व अंदाज, अँड सेल्स प्रोजेक्शन, विक्रीचा पूर्वानुमान घेणं गरजेचं आहे. अँड दीज थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल with the help of the knowledge of the business economics, because with the help of theories of demand forecasting and sales projection from the subject of business economics will help to the business person as a tool and technique of business planning. It helps in forecasting of demand and sales projection or estimation. It also helps in budgeting and controlling of the business. आपल्याला व्यवसायाचं बजेटिंग करण्यासाठी आणि त्यावर कंट्रोलिंग ठेवण्याचं कामसुद्धा आपल्या यामध्ये मिळू शकतं, असं या ठिकाणी म्हटलेलं आहे. Now next point number 12, technique of decision making. Business economics is a tool or technique of decision making or business decision making. असं म्हटलं जातं. Whatever business person does, he or she does through the decision making only. व्यावसायिक जो काही करतो ते सर्व निर्णय घेण्याच्या माध्यमातून करतो. मीन्स डिसिजन मेकिंग, निर्णय घेणे, should be accurate and prompt. In case of decision making, two things are very important. First one, that decision should be accurate, and second one, that decision should be prompt. कारण निर्णय चुकला किंवा निर्णयाला वेळ झाला त्याचे आपल्याला ॲडव्हर्स इफेक्ट जाणवायला लागतात. दॅट्स वाय ऑलवेज डिसिजन मेकिंग ऑफ द बिझनेस शुड बी ॲक्युरेट ॲज वेल ॲज शुड बी प्रॉम्प्ट. The knowledge of the business economics in the form of economic techniques, theories and decision making will help to make accurate and prompt decisions in business. It is a process under which we have to analyze and compare various courses of action or alternative solutions, and then the best suitable course of action or alternative solution is to be chosen or selected as decision. So decision making is nothing but it is a process, in which process first of all we have to identify the problem on which we are going to take the decision. Then we are going to find the so many courses of action or various courses of action, means alternative solutions, and compare these all, and lastly we are going to find the best suitable course of action or alternative solution is to be chosen as a decision. So the business economics will help to take proper decision in business. Number 13, business problem solving. Like decision making, business economics is useful as a tool or technique of business problem solving. व्यवसायातील समस्या सोडवण्याचं काय आहे, तंत्र किंवा साधन आहे. The knowledge of business economics is helpful to solve economic problems in business. Firstly, the business problem is to be identified. Then alternative solutions are to be found, and lastly the best suitable alternative solution is to be used to solve the problem. Means problem solving is a process. Firstly we are going to identify the problem. Secondly we are going to find the alternative solutions to overcome this problem, And lastly, the best suitable alternative solution we are going to choose to solve that particular problem. So the knowledge of business economics will help to the business person for solving the business problem and nothing else. Number 14, factor pricing. We know there are four factors of production. उत्पादनाचे घटक किती आहेत? चार आहेत. They are land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. The pricing of such factors is known as factor pricing. या उत्पादन घटकांच्या किंमत निश्चितीला काय म्हणतात? फॅक्टर प्राइसिंग म्हणतात. रेंट इज द प्राइस फॉर लँड, wages is the price for labor, interest is the price for capital used, and profit is the price for entrepreneurship work. So the theories relating to rent, wages, interest and profit will help to the business person for factor pricing or determination of the price of all these four factors and nothing else. Number last one, 15, macroeconomic analysis. Macroeconomic analysis. Basically, business economics is the study of microeconomics, but the macroeconomic variables like general price level, national income, aggregate demand and supply, rate of unemployment, etc. are the important business decision making business decision making. I mean here, these all things or issues of macroeconomic analysis are helpful to determine or to take the business decision by the business person. The macroeconomic theories relating to general price level, national income, investment, employment will help to the business person in business decision making, because in business whatever decision making is there, whatever business planning is there, these are directly indirectly taken into account with the help of the macroeconomic variables in the economy and nothing else. So the subject of business economics will help to the business person from planning till the controlling, and all whatever functions of the business are there, they are taken into account with the help of business economics and nothing else. Thank you.